Hey, what's up you guys? Interceptor King here. I'm really excited about this. I just got a 2016 all-wheel drive Dodge Charger pursuit package with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Runs and drives like a brand new car. Super clean. It's got 39,820 miles at the time of this recording. It's only got 1,132 idle hours and 2,699 engine hours total. And I just connected the Bluetooth from my phone to the stereo. It's got a really nice back seat. I haven't even detailed the interior out, but I'm going to detail the interior out a little bit later today. That's just water. It's been raining out. I had the window down with it raining. These are seat covers. These seats, I'm sure they look brand new underneath the seat covers. Vehicle's only 3 years old, and the seats look brand new underneath that seat cover. So nice, like new back seat. I still got to detail it, wash it, and detail it today. But there it is. 2016 all-wheel drive, 370 factory horsepower. Runs and drives perfect. Spotlight works. They went with this new body style in 2015. So what I found out too is Dodge Charger does not offer an all-wheel drive V8 in an RT or any civilian type of vehicle. If you wanted to get one of these from the factory that was all-wheel drive, it was a 6-cylinder. Unless you were law enforcement or had the pursuit package. So only the pursuit package in 2016 with all-wheel drive comes with the V8. So all-wheel drive, 5.7 liter Hemi. Spotlight works. Jump on the highway here real quick. I turn the traction control. I'll put the traction control back on. I'll put the traction when that little light's on. That means traction control was turned off. I'll put it back on there. And I'm low on some wiper fluid. And apparently I'm facing east, according to that. So at this time, this is the only one on the whole West Coast, on the western half of the US available, that's 2016 and all-wheel drive. They're super hard to come by. And it's only got 39,000 miles, which is amazing. So go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. I didn't get on it there or nothing. I just got up to speed like normal. Here, I'll get on it just a little bit here. So there it is. 2016, runs and drives perfect. All-wheel drive. I love this car. I just synced it up to my phone with the Bluetooth. It's got a touch screen right there. Brand new body style in 2015. Most amount of vehicle for least amount of money guaranteed. And what I found amazing was they did not offer a V8 in all-wheel drive in 2016 unless it was the pursuit package. Therefore, the pursuit package was only offered to law enforcement, so I had to wait until they got their new vehicles in. The place I got this from, they get rid of their vehicles every 3 years, no matter what the mileage is. So I just got lucky on this one. This is the lowest mileage Dodge Charger I've ever had. So we've been specializing in fleet vehicles for 19 years now at Interceptor King Auto Sales. Financing is available. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Website's interceptorking.com for current inventory. You guys have a great day. Bye.